Welcome to the case study series in Human Resource Management by Skilled MBA. In today's session, we examine the remarkable transformation of BYD, Build Your Dreams, from a compliance-driven manufacturer to a global leader in quality excellence. This case explores how BYD embedded advanced quality methodologies into its culture, operations, and strategy to deliver lasting value. This case aims to analyze the evolution of quality management in manufacturing, evaluate the impact of Six Sigma, statistical quality control, and Deming's cycle, link quality practices to customer satisfaction and competitive advantage, apply frameworks to improve manufacturing quality processes in HRM contexts. Founded as an automotive manufacturer, BYD initially focused on meeting supplier certification standards. However, as competition intensified and customer expectations evolved, BYD shifted its focus from compliance to process control, innovation, and excellence, evolving through 4 distinct phases of quality transformation. Evolution of quality management, from external compliance to internal excellence. Methodological adoption, strategic use of Six Sigma, SQC, and Deming's cycle. Customer-centric focus. Quality practices linked directly to satisfaction and loyalty. Operational excellence. Quality becomes a core driver of competitive differentiation. Strengths. Strong compliance foundation. Continuous improvement mindset. Weaknesses. Resistance to early changes. Learning curve with methodologies. Opportunities. Market positioning through quality leadership. Expansion of quality culture across operations. Threats. Industry competition. Regulatory shifts and evolving standards. Define. Set clear goals tied to customer needs. Measure. Gather baseline process data. Analyze. Identify root causes using statistical tools. Improve. Address inefficiencies with precision. Control. Monitor outcomes and prevent regression. Six Sigma helped BYD improve accuracy, predictability, and defect reduction across functions. Plan. Establish objectives and process designs. Do. Pilot improvements at small scale. Check. Monitor results against KPIs. Act. Scale what works, refine where needed. Deming's model created a culture of continuous learning and disciplined execution, key for BYD's system-wide quality transformation. Through data analysis and statistical methods, BYD reduced defect rates below industry average, detected process variability, early aligned manufacturing consistency with global standards. These results affirm the power of data-driven decisions in building quality advantage. Phase 1. Supplier. Certification ensures suppliers meet foundational quality standards and certification requirements, emphasizing basic compliance and operational reliability. Phase 2. Quality tools. Adoption marks the introduction of statistical quality control, SQC, and the launch of early Six Sigma projects, shifting the focus from compliance to measurement-driven quality improvements. Phase 3. Process integration applies. Deming's PDCA cycle across the organization, integrating quality tools into operations. Quality becomes part of the workflow, not a separate activity. Phase 4. Integrated quality system establishes a comprehensive, organization-wide quality management system. Aligns quality initiatives with strategic goals, embedding a culture of excellence and continuous improvement. 87% satisfaction after quality system implementation, 42% decrease in customer complaints, 3.5x increase in return customers, previous rating of 68% before transformation. The numbers speak for themselves. Quality investment directly enhanced brand loyalty and market performance. Application. How can BYD's approach be applied in other industries? Strategic implications. How does quality fuel competitive edge? Methodology. Impact. What role did Six Sigma and Deming's cycle play? Drivers of change. What motivated BYD's shift toward integrated quality? These questions prompt reflection on the strategic, operational, and HR lessons within this case. Option: Pros, cons, advanced quality tools, high precision, global best practices, high cost, complex rollout, expand quality culture, company-wide alignment, change resistance, slow adoption, strategic partnerships, innovation leverage, integration risks, customer feedback systems, customer-driven quality complex data management. Each alternative demands careful alignment with BYD's operational maturity and strategic direction. Customer: improved satisfaction and brand equity. Internal processes: lower defect rates, faster cycle times, learning and growth, enhanced employee capability and innovation culture. Financial: reduced warranty costs, increased efficiency, and market share. Quality evolution: created value across all dimensions of performance. Resistance to change. Legacy mindsets slowed adoption of new tools. Training and capability development, substantial investment in workforce education system, integration, adapting IT and process infrastructure to support quality tracking and improvement. Addressing these challenges required strong HR leadership and change management frameworks. Continuous improvement pays off small, structured steps, build capability and confidence. Structured methodologies matter. Six Sigma, Deming's cycle, and SQC drive measurable results. Quality builds strategic advantage. It's not just about defect reduction, it's about brand strength and loyalty. Lessons apply across sectors. Any manufacturer can use this blueprint to scale excellence. Thank you for engaging with BYD's Quality Evolution, from Compliance to Excellence, presented as part of the case study series in Human Resource Management by Skilled MBA. This case illustrates how systematic, people-driven quality transformation, guided by structured methodologies, can elevate a manufacturer from reactive compliance to proactive excellence. We hope it inspires you to view quality management as a strategic HR-led journey, not just a process.